Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace the reservoir panel LED light assembly in your refrigerator, be sure to unplug the power cord. Depress the water filter cover to release it, then rotate the filter counterclockwise to remove. Using a 1/4-inch socket or nut driver, unthread the 2 screws securing the water reservoir access panel. Pull the panel down, using a flathead screwdriver to help detach the mounting posts. Disconnect the LED light wire connector. Depress the tabs on the sides of each light to detach them from the panel. Peel back any tape securing the wires, and you can fully remove the old assembly. Install the new LED light assembly by snapping each light into place on the panel. Be sure to keep the wires facing to the right. Secure the wires with the tape as required. Reinstall the water reservoir access panel by first connecting the LED light wire connector. Insert the 3 tabs at the back into the slots, then snap the mounting posts into place. Rethread the screws. Reinstall the water filter and close the cover. Plug the power cord back in, and your refrigerator should be ready for use.